really mean when a student gives negative feedback to an instructor? I don't understand this person.
That could mean all kinds of things. And it's not just people speaking English who did not grow up speaking English. They might be speaking way over the students' heads. They might not be organizing their information well. They might not be giving clear examples. And then you've got another aspect altogether. They might make an atmosphere for the students that is very hard for the students to succeed in. So they might not be open to the students. Instead, it might be a very distant relationship. So if you don't have the ability to build rapport with your students and to encourage your students' learning and to encourage their curiosity and to encourage their questions, a lot of students are just shut down by that. And they might then comment on the evaluations, well, I didn't understand the teacher. So it could be any of those reasons. It also could be that the teacher has an accent or speaking a dialect of English that students are not used to.